Hello traders, this is Ad Zeros and I want to record the today's recap and I want to guide you that how did I trade and what to look for when these stocks when you see the day before a very big momentum, how you do not make you need to make sure that how you understand the demand and supplies and everything so you do not get caught in the chop as well. I had very small green day initially, but by the time I was closing it and doing a recap, I found some good trades. So overall, I made almost $1,000. So I wanted to walk you through that as well. So let's look at the some of the stocks I traded. I traded Amazon, Tesla, both sides, the long and short, and then the LI autos. So let me just go through one by one with you. So let's look at the first, the Amazon. So Amazon isn't been in my watch list for quite a few days. So it has a very nice push all the way up. I went into by looking at the 1 minute chart and 1 minute chart, I went long here, but then I saw that on the 5 minute it was really extended and it just goes, sorry, just let me just bring it back. So it was very extended. So what I did, I basically, I stopped out. I just closed the position and I don't want it to take a risk given it was really extended. Then I waited for it, and then when the stock went up and then pushed back, over the moving averages, I added into my position. I want this pre-market high to break. I saw it tried one, came back down, again tried to move back up and couldn't close it, so I basically closed on a small lot. Basically here I didn't close everything, I reduced it because I didn't I don't want to take a risk of the full size, so I just reduced it. Then the stock went back up again, pushed high. I basically added into my position, uh, and I was a big size, full size now here. And then I saw that it tried to touch the pre-market high but couldn't make the new high. Coming back again, I close the position and see that this is the way you need to manage the risk. And I close at the right time. Look at this. I closed it here and then I save myself with the pain and agony if I have not closed it. Look at it. It's going to be very hard for me to uh, psychologically take it, given I was a full size on it. Now let's look at the Tesla, and I'm going to show you the Tesla. I already put some marking already in my trade, and I'm gonna just let me just quickly bring it from the Twitter. So here you go. So if you look at it, I made basically a couple of entries in the Tesla. I went long here on this candle, um, and then I added into the position and it dropped off and I stopped out. Then again, I went long here, added into my position, and then it dropped. I stopped out. No, sorry, I guess, okay, no, no, sorry. For this, I think what I did basically, I went long, I closed it, and the stock pushed back up. I added into the position again, and then I took the first partial, and then I just stopped out here. Then I tried again the long on this side, um, I long here, and then I just stopped out here. Then I tried again on this candle. I went long. I added in a position, took the partials, you know, partial here. I added into my position, took some more partials, and this is the only big trade that worked for me. Then I was doing a recap and looking at it, and I saw that the stock is losing momentum. The SPY is also getting heavier on the tape, doesn't really want to move forward. So I went short here, very small size, took the profit on the VWAP and took the partials and then close it. But after that, when I was just finished the short trade, um, I was looking at it and I saw that I basically, here you go, just move the Tesla, and I saw that it is again the pre-market low is creating a new base. I went long on this too because it didn't break the new low. I took some off partials, then I went long again here and then do some partials and then close it. Right now, I think it's still chop. But see, what I was just the lesson for you is that when the stock made the big momentum a day before, you need to be very consciously look at the trades. Okay, you do not need to go short when the stock is moving downward because at the key levels, a lot of traders wanted to add to their positions. And at the same time, you do not want it to go short, long when the closest resistance, thinking about the breakout, because you might gonna again chop out because there's no new buyers are available to move the price up again. So, this only this idea I couldn't understand before, and I lost thousands and thousands of dollars because I couldn't comprehend that. And I'm just giving you, giveaway. And if you really liked my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And feel free to ask the questions on the YouTube, and I will try to answer as much as I can. But I guess what I'm saying to you that always try to think from not from the trader's perspective, but from the perspective of that, okay, how the smart money uh, gonna make money. Okay, so that is to that point I'm gonna leave, and yeah, hopefully you also have an awesome day. I've just done for the day. I don't want to trade anymore, and I will see you tomorrow.